Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you this colouring book which I have completed. It's Unicorns and Rainbows by Rachel Allen Designs. She makes lots of different products for kids. I actually have like a little painting apron in this design for my youngest daughter. But I saw this book and I thought, oh cool, it's really girly and I want to colour it in. So I thought I'd make myself the challenge to see if I could complete it. So I only got it a few weeks ago and that's what I've been doing non-stop. So there won't be a Daydreams video this month because I haven't been really working on that. So I'll just do a big catch-up video next month. Okay, so into the book. So this is the first page. So most of the book is unicorns and rainbows, obviously, like it says in the title. So it did become a challenge of what do I do next? Like I thought I would just try doing a lot of circles, see how that turns out. Almost like a bokeh type effect, but not really, just something different. Testing out new colours and just new techniques, which was really fun just to try stuff. So another wee unicorn, and with this rainbow I actually blended it together with the Prismacolor blending pencil, which was really fun to try. I bought that at an art store recently and I'm quite amazed by just the different effects you can create with it. Just a little simple page. This was the first page I did in this book. It's with Polychromos pencils. This was one of the last ones. I put some glitter on it and I actually drew this starburst design in the background. I felt it made it look really nice and dynamic, just like this movement, which ended up being really cool. Just another really simple page. Ended up putting some paint droplets around the edge and they're kind of textured, so that was one of the last things I did, but it's just adds another element to it. And you'll sort of see on the writing in the middle it has an iridescent shine to it. It's like a really nice powder that I found at my mum's house from my craft supplies like 10 or 15 years ago, which still worked perfect. So it was just another wee fun thing. I've used it on another page as well. Another just really simple page with Prismacolor, Polychromos pencils. And this one I did a watercolour background, which I'm really in love with. I want to use this colour combination more often. And I used the iridescent shimmer powders. They're like an eyeshadow powder really, and you just apply them with an embossing pen, so it just sort of is like a light glue almost, which it just sticks to. The only other thing is this page is a bit wrinkly because it was watercolour. The next one, a bunny, which is the only bunny in the book. This was done with Prismacolor pencils. Another one, this was watercolour as well. I didn't really know what to do. This rainbow fella doesn't really go with the rest of the page, but like that's sort of more subtle and muted colours, and this is all vibrant, but I still like it. And this is the last page, which is probably my favourite, really girly colours, and I started colouring it the background first, which I was really liking, and then I actually have this pencil case and I was like, oh, that's really good inspiration. Like you can see the purple over here and the pinks, they were like matched in perfect with the background, so I was like, wow, I've got to use those colours too. And they have come out really nicely in my opinion. So yeah, that's the finished colouring book. Let me know which page was your favourite. It was just really fun to, I mean it is a kids colouring book, but it was really fun to just try something a bit different, try different techniques, see if I could actually get it finished, and yeah, just have a wee break from the Daydreams book that I've been doing. non-stop for the last few months. So yeah, I'll be back into that after I finish this video probably. And yeah, hopefully make another video next month on that. So thank you so much for watching. If you've liked this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you've got any friends or aunties or sisters or mums that are interested in colouring, make sure to share my video with them too. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!